How's it going today? Today I'm going to show you how to fix a leaky switch for air suspensions. When I put this on to my tubes, when I put the tubes and the air lines in, it still leaks out. When I press it down, it leaks. When I press it up, it still leaks. I had two of these switches that was bad. It was 4 in total. 2 of these switches were bad. I fixed one before I did the YouTube video and to see if it worked. So it did. What it has inside, it has 2 little rubber bushings that holds the air from leaking in and out. So the air will come through here, and then when you're trying to release it, when trying to release the airbag, it goes through here, the air. Over here, see if I can show you, if you can see it. No? Okay, so by me working on this, I worked on one last night and it worked perfectly. It worked perfectly. And to take these out, I have to pop this part, this, and this part out. So what I used 2 screwdrivers. Real easy, because you don't want to break. You don't want to break the plastic. Try to break the plastic. As good as you can. It was difficult to do it. It took me a while to get to it. You gotta be very, very cautious, because you don't want to pop that off. You don't want to break that. So what to do? It's not easy. Sorry about it. Nope. Okay. So if you see this, and this is a small little bushing. See, it goes one. And here goes another one. I bought these airbags used. With the switches, the gauges all came together. Bought it used, had to fix some stuff up. And these bushings supposed to stick out to a certain way. These stick out. I mean, they don't stick out as much no more. And they don't sell just the bushing, they don't sell a part. They sell the whole piece. 50 and over. You get them on eBay, but you won't get this. Cause I try to look for it. And I contacted the manufacturer and they wanted 55, I guess, plus tax and shipping. And I needed 2. Yeah, I'm working with a budget, so I said, it's messed up, why not try to take it apart? See if I can fix it. And I did. Fixed the first one, no more leaks. Stays where it is. Very nice and tough. And now I'm gonna do this one. Okay. This spring right here fell off. It goes, where'd it go? Okay, this spring goes right here. It fell off. This spring goes right in here. Just like that. That goes there. That's for when you pop up the switch up and down. That's what connects and it goes up and down, up and down. Thought it was a spring maybe, but no, it's not the spring. Spring is very tough. So, what I do here now, looking at it, it looks in a pretty decent shape. Okay. I cut a very, 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 very small thin layer of this. This right here, you'll get an AutoZone. It's if, what do you call it? When you put an intake or something, and then, excuse me, and there's lines that's open, you can use this to pop the to close the line in. Very, very narrow. As narrow as you can. Even this little thing right here is a little too much. You have to keep it very, very, very narrow. Okay. So you gotta cut some off so it could fit. Find a way to get to it, to be able to cut some off. See, if you see here, a layer is thicker than the other layer, try to cut off some of the thickness, because this round here is just too big. So we got to cut enough to make it smaller. Small as this right here. As these guys, so it can fit in here. Mind you, in here, if you would see, there's a hole that go through here. That's where the air line can go and it'll pop up. it'll pop out. Okay. So you gotta be careful that it won't go in that airline, because I think it's gonna be very difficult to take it out. Didn't happen to me, and I don't want it to happen to me. So I was very careful not trying to get these things inside the airline. So, I mean, your own mind, you gotta think how much to cut and everything. So you have to cut and then put, cut and then put until it's perfect. See, if I close it up a little bit, it's still too much, if you can see. So it's on the eye. Real trick, you gotta be real patient. Okay. See, got it in almost kind of weird in. So you just grab something and just try to get it nice and straight. Cut a little more. Come on. Got a scissors by you, use the scissors.